Welcome back to our channel.
My name's Suri.
And my name is Sophia, and today we are carving our pumpkins.
Let's get started. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our Sharpies and just draw on the pumpkin what we want, and then after we would carve it out with our tools.
Hey, what are you gonna do, Suri?
Well, I'm thinking not doing a face. I was thinking of doing a little background of maybe a tree and a couple pumpkins in the background.
Oh, that's really cool.
Thank you. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna draw a face, but I'm not really sure which type yet. Right now, I have this as my face, and I am thinking of carving out the mouth. And now I'm gonna work on the eyes.
So basically, I have my witch right now, and I'm just sketching over what I already did. So I here have the witch sitting on the broom, and then here I have a small pumpkin and a tree here, and I think now I'm gonna do the hair. So I already finished with my drawing, and now I'm just gonna take off the top. Yes, I'm done. Now I'm just gonna take this off. Oh. This is so cool. Looks like kind of like a jellyfish. It has all the seeds hanging down. Look how it looks inside. It kind of looks like an orange spider web. It's slimy. And it looks frozen kind of, if you look really close up.
Okay, so I'm gonna start cutting my pumpkin. Oh, wow, I'm so excited to see how it turns out. I'm finally done cutting my pumpkin, and I'm gonna open the top. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's so cool. It looks super cool inside, but it's actually really slimy and gross to touch.
Okay guys, this is the fun part that I like a lot. So I have a shovel, and I'm just going to take out all this yucky, sticky stuff, and I'm just gonna peel it out of the pumpkin so that we can actually start carving it. Hey Sophie, look how my pumpkin turns out after it's been cleaned up.
Oh, that looks really cool. Okay, so I have half of my inside of my pumpkin cleaned up, but I gotta take out all of the seeds and the gooey stuff, so I'm about to do that. Whoa! Oh my, this is so much.
All the seeds are flying everywhere. So I just started carving my tree. So I'm just going to finish carving the trunk of the tree. It's a bit hard when it's going down. Guys, I'm super excited because now that I've already carved the outside of my tree, I get to pull it out from the inside. So I'm just going, whoa! It just popped right out. It kind of looks like a carrot, doesn't it?
I'm just taking out the remainings of what I have in the pumpkin, and oh my gosh. Whoa. Wow. That came out of this. That was so random.
Okay guys, now I have my witch done, and I already carved it, so I'm just gonna take the witch out. Whoa. I actually even kept the shape of it, even though it's missing a leg. Okay guys, now I'm gonna take out the other leg that was missing. So I got this leg, and then we got part of the broom. And now this one's a bit hard to pull out. I kind of started by pulling out that by the side, so it could be easier to pull. And this is my witch. Last but not least, my mini pumpkin. I'm just gonna take it out. This is cute to keep mom and baby. See? I just noticed that the pumpkin kind of looks like either a mouth or a nose. And these two look like eyes.
I'm gonna start carving out my pumpkin. Wow, this is harder than I thought.
Hey Sophie, how are you doing with your pumpkin?
I'm doing good, but it's actually really hard to carve.
Yeah, it was a bit hard to cut too. Because these pumpkins are really big.
Yeah. I'm ready to take my mouth out. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Hi. This looks so cool. One eye. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! This is looking really cool so far. We finished carving our pumpkins and this is how they turned out.
Now we're gonna put a candle in each pumpkin so they glow at night.
That looks so cool, Suri.
Thank you. And the thing I like about pumpkins is it looks more spooky for Halloween.
Now I'm gonna light my candle. I'm done.
Wow, that looks so cool.
Thanks.
Let's put the cap on now.
Okay. Wow, that looks so cool.
It still shows like even at the top.
Well, we're all ready for Halloween. We hope you enjoyed this video and we hope that you have fun carving your own pumpkin.
Happy Halloween!
Bye!